We can make all kinds of things, but right now, why are we making this thing?
So we can test it out.
Okay.
I see it coming up. Oh, that's what they do.
I'm beginning to think that you weren't really listening to what I was saying.
That's because they're all...
Pretty cool, huh?
So it makes the top first.
It makes the...
Does it make it in the bottom?
I don't really know because it's a cube, so like the top and the bottom are basically the same. It's hard to tell.
Don't touch the tube. Okay, that just looks weird. It's just scribbling on it.
That's a cool design, actually.
It's designing something. A cube.
Now look. Now if you squat down a little bit, you can look and see it's starting to get thicker, taller.
I'm just gonna kneel.
That looks so
See?
cool.
It's getting taller.
Yeah. And it says that this one takes approximately 10 minutes. So.
Does that wait till
Well, it's getting taller.
And we are. See this right here? That's what percent done we are.